Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to use GradeTransfer to grab your student scores from Otus so you can transfer them to your district's gradebook. Let's get started. All right, so in Otus, you want to go to your gradebook and you want to be on this assessments view. In this view, you can grab from the total grade column. Now, depending on whether or not you use weighting with your assignments, this is going to look a little bit differently and GradeTransfer is going to grab just a little bit differently. So right now I do have weighting set up, and when I have this enabled, this column shows as a percent. And so to grab, all you do is go to GradeTransfer, click the big green grab data button, and those total grades will be grabbed as a percent, just as they were shown on the screen. You can take this information and you can go fill it into your next gradebook. You can also use GradeTransfer's rounding feature if you'd like, or scaling feature. Now I'm going to show you how to grab when we have this weighting feature in Otus disabled or cleared or turned off. When this is cleared, you will see the total grade column shows both points and percent. So when you go to grab in GradeTransfer, you will notice that the points and the percent are grabbed, and this might cause some issues for you when transferring it into your next gradebook. So we can easily adjust this in GradeTransfer. Go ahead and open up the extension, click on the hamburger button, and navigate to Advanced Settings. We are going to go to the Pattern Remover and scroll down to the Grade section. In this area, we are going to put a backslash, and what that is going to do is that's going to save automatically and tell GradeTransfer that when grabbing grades, always remove everything starting with and including a backslash. And so now let's go back and we're going to grab again. And we'll see that my student's amount of earned points were grabbed nice and clean. I can take this information and transfer it into my next gradebook. Now, whenever I grab, that saved setting under the pattern remover is done and doesn't need to be touched again. If there's any other type of student data that you want to retrieve from the gradebook that we haven't gone over yet, you can do so by exporting this gradebook to a CSV file. All you need to do is go to the three dots and click Download as CSV, and from there you can select the name and grade columns that you want to grab using GradeTransfer's Clipboard Grab feature. And there are more directions on how to use the Clipboard Grab feature in our support center. If you have any feedback or questions on how to use GradeTransfer with Otus, please submit a support ticket and let us know. We're here to help. That's all for now. Happy transferring.